So in this time, we are going to see how to save a drawing into a different file but keeping the existing file name as it is. So currently I have my drawing name as designalignments.dwg. So suppose I am going to change some alignments in this drawing, but I need to keep the earlier alignments as it is in a different file. So what you have usually do is we are going to do a save as to this drawing by giving a new drawing name. But if you want to keep this drawing name as it is and change the name of the old drawing to a different name, this is how to do it. So what I am going to do is I am typing on my command line save. So when save, then I click OK. So it is going to the folder where my drawing is. So I am going to change this drawing as the current date, right? So like this. Then I click save. What happens is it will save a new drawing in that location, but it won't change the name of this current drawing. Now I can do the modification in the same drawing, but I have my old drawing in the location as well. So if I go to open, you can see my old file is also there. So if I need that drawing file, I can open it. But in the meantime, I am keeping my old alignment, old name of the drawing as it is, as you can see here.